There's a quiet shift happening in how people style their hair at home, and if you've been considering simplifying your routine without compromising results, this might be worth your attention. Welcome to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Shark FlexStyle hair styling system, a multifunctional styling tool designed to replace several devices with one compact, intelligent solution. If you regularly switch between a dryer, brush, and curler, or if you're looking for a more efficient, travel-friendly setup, this product is built with you in mind. You'll find the purchase link in the description below. At its core, this is a modular styling system. With a simple twist, it transforms from a powerful hair dryer into a versatile styling tool, supporting everything from smooth blowouts to defined curls. It's designed for all hair types, which makes it especially relevant for households with varied styling needs. Reason 1. True multifunction convenience. One of the strongest reasons to consider the FlexStyle is its ability to replace multiple tools without sacrificing performance. Instead of juggling a dryer, curling iron, and volumizing brush, you get 6 attachments in one system. This includes auto wrap curlers, an oval brush, a paddle brush, a diffuser, and a concentrator. In daily use, this translates to less clutter, quicker styling sessions, and a more streamlined routine, especially valuable during busy mornings or while traveling. Reason 2. Intelligent heat control for hair safety. Heat damage is a genuine concern for regular styling. Shark addresses this with intelligent heat regulation that monitors and adjusts temperatures continuously. The result is consistent styling performance without exposing your hair to excessive heat. Over time, this can contribute to healthier-looking hair, especially for those who style frequently. It's a subtle but meaningful upgrade that adds long-term value. Reason 3. Fast drying with a lightweight design. Despite its compact size, the FlexStyle delivers strong airflow for efficient drying. The balance between power and portability is well executed here. It feels light in the hand, reducing fatigue during longer styling sessions, yet doesn't compromise on drying speed. This makes it particularly suitable for users who want professional-level results without the bulk of traditional salon tools. Reason 4. Adaptability across all hair types. Whether your hair is straight, wavy, curly, or coily, this system is designed to adapt. The diffuser enhances natural curls, the paddle brush smooths and straightens, and the curlers create defined waves with minimal effort. This flexibility means the product isn't limited to a single styling preference. It evolves with your needs. That versatility is one reason it's trusted by many of the 5-star reviewers. Reason 5. Thoughtful design and ease of use. Beyond performance, usability plays a key role in ownership satisfaction. The attachments click into place easily, the controls are intuitive, and switching between modes feels natural. It's clear that the design prioritizes real-world use rather than just technical capability. Over time, this makes a noticeable difference in how often you actually reach for the product. Now, no product is without limitations. The learning curve with the auto wrap curlers may take a few tries, especially if you're new to this type of styling. Additionally, while it's quieter than some traditional dryers, it's not completely silent. These are minor considerations, but worth noting. Final verdict. The Shark FlexStyle stands out as a well-balanced, thoughtfully engineered styling system that delivers both convenience and performance. It's best suited for individuals who want to simplify their hair routine without giving up styling flexibility. If you value efficiency, reduced heat exposure, and a clean, all-in-one solution, this is a strong contender in its category. If this aligns with what you've been looking for, take a moment to explore it further through the link in the description. Choosing the right tool isn't about impulse. It's about confidence in long-term use.